Hey guys, it's Bryan with the Bound Web Design, and you guessed it, I'm here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today we're going to be talking about how to keep your grid lines up on the screen whenever you're editing your website. So in Fluid Engine, whenever you're dragging a block around, your grid blocks will come up, and if you let go of the block that you're moving around, those grid blocks go away. And so it makes it kind of difficult to keep things in line. Like if you got a series of like image blocks, for example, knowing that you have the spacing correct and so forth. It'll be easier to show you when I'm gonna go over my screen. So let's jump over there now and we'll get into it. Okay, so as we are most of the time, we're here on my demo website and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So we're gonna go into edit mode here. And if I was to add a section here and make sure it's a Fluid Engine section, because you can add the classic editor sections down here, but you want to just we can just do a blank section, because unless you pick that classic editor section down there at the bottom, it's any other section is going to be Fluid Engine now anyways. So as you see here, so like, let me I'll add an image block. And as you see, whenever I drag it around, the grid pops up. And so you can see exactly what the spacing is of where you're putting something. And so like right here, you can see on the left half of the screen, this block is dead center in this section. There's one row above and one row below, and there's 3 columns to the left and 3 columns to the right. And so if I was going to duplicate this block and put another one on the other half of the screen, I would know to have it balanced out, I would want to drop it here, where again, there's 3 blocks to the left and 3 blocks to the right, 1 row above and 1 row below. But if I'm trying to find that and I let go, the grid blocks go away. So to make sure that you have that and you get the grid lines to stay up there all the time, it's so easy. All you have to do is hit the letter G and the grid comes up, no matter if you've got blocks held onto or not. You hit G again, it goes away. It's just a toggle on and off, the G key on your keyboard. So that's all there is to it. This works the same. It doesn't matter if you have image blocks or any other block on there. The grid works the same. You want it to come up, just simply hit the G. You want it to go away, hit that G again. So if you found this useful, please hit like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.